Hey everybody, welcome back to Worship Guitar Now. Thanks for joining me today, and a special thanks to everybody who's been watching my videos, liking them, and subscribing to my channel. It's people like you who make this channel better. Today I'd like to teach you a little riff in the key of D. I like to sometimes use this as a little intro to a song, or if I need a little fill during the song also. This is super easy. It only consists of 5 notes, and I think you're going to have fun learning it. This little riff consists of 5 notes: D, E, F sharp, G, and A. Again, that's D, E, F sharp, G, and A. Those are the only 5 notes that are used during this riff, or for that matter, during that whole little intro that I did to the video. So this is where we're going to play those 5 notes. The D note is going to be played at the 7th fret on your G string, the 3rd string up from the bottom. Now the E note is going to be played 2 frets up on the same string. Now the F sharp, same thing, same string, 2 frets up from there. Now for the G note, we're going to move down 1 string to the B string, and that G is going to be played at the 8th fret. And just one last note, the A note. We're going to move up 2 frets on the same string, and that's going to be our A note. So again, we have D, E, F sharp, G, and A. Now the first part to that little riff, we're going to start on the G note. That's at the 8th fret on the B string. We're going to start there, and we're going to slide up to the A. And that's the first part of that riff. Then for the next part of the riff, we're going to move down to the next string again, and then we're going to play these 2 notes, the F sharp and the E. So it's going to go as follows. So we're going to slide up on that 1 note from the G to the A. Then we're going to go back to the G. Then we're going to go to the F sharp. And then to the E. So if you listen with your ear, you can tell how it's played. And we do that twice. Now for the last part of the riff, it's quite similar. We use 4 notes again, but we skip over that E note, and it goes as follows. One more time. So I'll do it again for you. Now once in slow motion. like to do is I like to put on a backing track or actually put on a song and play along with it. This little riff works good in a Revelation song. Now I've made up a backing track with my looping pedal. I'll put it on and play along with it for a minute, and that'll give you an idea of how that little riff is used during a song. So as you can see, it's not really that hard when you break it down. If you slow this video down and you look at the notes that I'm playing and listen with your ear, I think even if you're a beginner or even just starting today, I think you can figure out this little riff, and I hope you have fun with it. Thanks again for joining me on Worship Guitar Now. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's people like you who make this channel better.